Hi guys, so welcome to this unboxing video for a Panasonic Dental Care air flosser thing. So I got this from Amazon. I did have a Sonic Air one back in 2011. I think that was when I bought it. But with this one, I think with the Sonic Air one, it was quite powerful. It was like someone punching you in the gums. Whereas with this one, I think it's more of a light jet thing. So it's equipped with a nozzle stand, which is really interesting. Non-contact recharger, so it's you don't know points there. So water jet with air comfortably massages gum. So with the Sonic Air one, it was like a powerful pump action shotgun in your gum, whereas with this it might be less bad because it has a bigger reservoir on it. The Sonic Air one has a much smaller one, so I'm hoping this is less powerful, because it does hurt. Powerful jet water removes food leftovers, misaligned teeth, blah blah whatever. So let's take a look. This was from this is a open box thing from Amazon warehouse, so hopefully it's not been used, or there's some plaque or like used dental floss in here. So this is the nozzle here, so that's sealed, that's in sealed condition, so that's all right. So this was about £5 cheaper than buying it brand new, so if you want to save yourself a fiver, get it from warehouse deals, open box. Let's be paperwork here, who cares, guarantee, crappy paper, Panasonic, operating instructions, so it's probably straightforward enough. So take it out. So you get this here, which is like a hit someone with it. You've got your reservoir, fill the reservoir up, press a button. Oh, it's on. Yeah. Mode, air in, soft, normal, jet. It's like Alan Partridge jet. I'm going to start with soft and then build it up to jet. So that does, yeah, feels a bit sort of bit weak. Doesn't really like, bit lame of a, not sure. You might have water coming out with that one. So there we go. That's pretty much it really. That's a straightforward thing really. You've got two jet things here. We've got one with a blue and one without. Should probably read the manual for this. So it comes with that plug there. It is bigger than Sonic Air, so we've got two of those. We've got some screws here, which is 2 screws. Not sure what that is for. So yeah, we've got two things here. So we've got a 17 and 18. 17 identification ring. Nozzle handle. Nozzle handle. Nozzle. What does it say on there? Box contents. Where does it say box contents? It doesn't say anything of that. Attach the nozzle firmly onto the main unit. Open. So let's go with the blue one here. It looks more like it'll do stuff. Attach the nozzle firmly onto the main unit. So I think it goes that way. Yeah, it just clicks on. Does it click off? Don't know. Always use new tap water or lukewarm water. If the water feels cold, use lukewarm water with a temperature of 40 Celsius or less. Interesting. Close the water tank cap, making sure it locks in place. Yes, which is this. Press the mode switch and select the desired water jet mode. Jet mode. This mode is for removing food particles trapped between the teeth. Air in normal mode. This mode is for periodontal pocket cleaning and gum care. Air in soft mode. This mode is for gently massaging the gums. When you use the appliance for the first time, press the power switch to turn the appliance on and test each of the water jet modes with the tank filled with water. We recommend using the appliance in an ambient temperature of blah blah blah. Do not hold the tip of the nozzle firmly against the teeth or gums. Do not operate the main unit when empty, other than when pouring out any remaining water. Operating the main unit without water may result in a malfunction, which we've just done. Place the nozzle in your mouth and close it up. I was going to stick it up my arse. Close gently before pressing the power switch. To use it probably could. This also acts as a colonic. Use this one for arses. Use this arseholes. Use this one for your mouth. Or some people, it's just the same thing, isn't it? Whatever. Just freeze frame that if you can be bothered. Yeah. So just basically don't poke yourself in the eye with it. There we go. So with the Sonicare one, bought it 2011. Didn't really use it for like 3 or 4 years because I was scared of it. But slowly started using it. The problem with that is, like I said, it's quite a powerful, really powerful jet, and they don't last as well. They just kaput. I think the newer version, more modern one, is less powerful, but this one's got more water, so it's probably okay. So it's been about 2 or 3 years since I actually filmed the unboxing, so this is kind of what it looks like. I don't really use it that much, so it's pretty much been relatively unused. I'm just going to see if it turns on. Yeah, it still works. So the battery life on this is excellent. It seems to always, like, I rarely have to charge it up. So you got soft, normal, jet. So I'm now going to fill it up with water and demonstrate it. So there's a little bit of water coming out, but it's, I don't think, well, I think it's stopped now, so there's not really much coming out. So that's pretty good. So that is warm water, so I could actually use it on my teeth right now, but I don't want to. So there we go. So you select your mode: soft, normal, jet. I'll start with jet. So this fires it, and it's continuous. So if I press the button here, you get some splashback. So if I fire it from here, you can just redecorate your wall. I'm going to select jet, which is the most powerful, to be cut to the chase, and fire in the hole. There we go. Now, just as I empty the water, this came off. It does come off. It can come off quite easily, but it can go on easily as well. So that just snapped back on. So it just goes back on. It's quite easy to put on. You can just close it. I leave it open just to let the water dry out. So yeah, I would recommend this. It's just an extra thing as well as flossing your teeth. It doesn't replace flossing your teeth. It's just a little something extra you can do, and it probably saves going to the hygienist often. But my dentist tends to scrape the plaque off anyway on my bottom teeth, so I tend not to use this that much.